So I don't get into the research as much as others, but I do pay attention to research related to this stuff. One of the things that I think is really important to impress upon families and for you to know is the research about and around habits and routines. And this is also intuitive. And we've done this as a church. And there's a reason why we say the Lord's Prayer every single Sunday, right? And those of us that are ordained clergy that have the joy of visiting people in their 80s and 90s that have lived long lives, even when other parts of our brain have are not working in the ways that we used to have them work. If we pop in the Lord's Prayer, sometimes it's right there, right? And it's because of this. It's because things are repeated over time, gradually. They become, the different neural pathways are formed. Those neural pathways, when it comes to prayer and meditation, have a whole host of benefits that will serve children and adults well in terms of being able to self-regulate, be calm, all of these things. But it doesn't come from a big dump of once in a while. It comes from small, repeated over time things. I love, there's a quote from Bono from YouTube, and somebody asked him one time, like, how do you do everything that you do? And he said, I store up sleep in my hump, right? Like, in other words, I don't sleep and then I sleep for a long time. And it doesn't work that way. That's not how it works with sleep. And that's not how it works with faith practice. So a big soapbox of mine is the reminder that these faith practices don't have to be fancy. They don't have to be a lot of time, but if you can repeat them, that will be your greatest secret sauce. If you can do 30 seconds a day of something for a year, you'll make a greater impact on your child's faith development than you would taking them to vacation Bible school, right? As an example. So that's something to pass on to your families.